Hey guys, this is Radhika and today's topic is time and distance. बहुत ज़्यादा एंट्रेंस में तो इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. अगर एंट्रेंस देखे तो गेट में भी इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था 2020 में. ओके, इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस. सो टुडे इन टुडेज वीडियो विल सी द थियरी and basic things to remember. Okay, and we will also see if there are some points to remember to solve these questions and what are the formulas related to this time and distance. जो ट्रेन के ऊपर जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, कार वगैरह, so these are related to this. So we'll see first important points to remember. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फार्मूला. डिस्टेंस एंड टाइम अगर अपन पढ़ रहे हैं तो स्पीड का फार्मूला, दिस इज़ अ रिलेशन बिटवीन स्पीड, डिस्टेंस एंड टाइम, इसमें ये वाला ही फार्मूला यूज़ होता है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस फार्मूला एंड लेट्स सी फर्दर कि what are again the different points to be considered while solving these problems. So the next point to be remember is if distance x is traveled at two different speeds. Okay, x is the same distance, so we'll consider the distance between Yavatmal and Nagpur. Okay, the distance is same, okay, but the speeds are different. Two different speeds are considered, that are S1 and S2. Okay, so like if suppose I'm traveling with 70 km per hour and my friend is traveling with 60 km per hour, then the average speed is calculated by using the formula average speed SA is equals to twice S1 into S2 into S1 plus S2, where S1 is the speed 1 and S2 is the speed 2. Okay, so the next important thing to be remember is, okay, we'll consider two bodies A and B and between the 2 points P and Q. So consider a line. Okay, on one side of the line is point P and on the other side of the line is point Q. Okay, and there are two bodies, A is standing at P and B is standing at Q. So if one starts from P, A is starting from P and it is going to Q, while the other one starts from Q and goes to P. Okay, this is the condition provided. So they meet on the way. Okay, they'll meet at the same way, same place they will meet and reach their destination in time ta and tb. Okay, this is the time ta and tb. Okay, respectively after meeting. Their speeds sa and sb are given by, so the formula is provided as sa upon sb is equals to under root of tb upon ta. Okay, inverse relationship is provided, sa upon sb is equals to under root of tb upon ta. So this is very important if we are considering two bodies starting from two different points. Okay, so for if such condition is provided in the formula, then we for calculating the speed sa and sb when time is provided, we will use this formula. Okay, so if the question is find relative speed and two speeds are given, okay, the condition applied here is the bodies are moving in opposite direction. Two bodies are there, A and B, and both of these bodies are moving in opposite direction. Okay, so in order to find the relative speed, we just simply have to add those speed. So relative speed when the bodies are moving in opposite direction is given by the formula S relative speed is equals to S1 plus S2. So we simply have to add both the speeds to find the relative speed when the bodies are moving in opposite directions. Okay, so now the next condition is when two bodies move in same direction. In the last slide we have seen that the bodies are moving in opposite direction. What if the bodies are moving in same direction? Again we have to find the relative speed. So simply we have to subtract. Okay, so understand this. If the bodies are moving in same direction, then the speeds are subtracted so as to find the relative speed. And when the bodies are moving in opposite directions, then the relative speeds are added. So this was all the theory related to this topic, time and distance. In tomorrow's video we'll see some examples on it and we'll also try to solve the gates question. So thank you guys, I hope you have liked my video and please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and also share. If you have any queries related to any topic and if you want to recommend me something, recommend me a topic, so you can recommend me. Also thank you again, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.